Do you see him?
Mm-hmm. He's climbing up the tree.
Yeah, they're doing his damn food thing. I told him not to.
Why, he's a good climber.
That's cool.
Look at him. He's smart, too. He's going to bite the string.
I don't like this at all.
That is cool as crap. That is cool.
The damn bushes right there. Oh no, it's. I don't want the flash on.
That is cool.
It's not cool.
It is, honey. And then we'll scare him out. We'll send the dog. I'll start barking.
I gotta turn off.
Let's see what he does when you guys get your picture.
Oh, it's on scan.
That is just like being at the zoo.
No, I gotta go.
Live, he's saying, this sucks. Oh my God. He goes, man, this really sucks.
Oh, I don't have my.
This is great. Oh, unbelievable. Let me get a little risky. Oh my gosh. Deirdre. Deirdre. I thought you wanted to disappear. I heard you. Yeah, come on. Eric, come here. Look, he's... Deirdre. Come here, Rizzy. He's up the trees trying to get the feeder. Yeah.
There, you got all the feet out of it.
Well, he's good.
He's not happy, too. He's been
No,
working on it for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, buddy. Come here.
He's probably just gonna leap for it.
He said, this really sucks, man. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that was smart.
Yeah.
Well, thanks.
The hell can they smell those friggin' seeds?
Oh, he got it.
He got it down. You son of a gun, you. I didn't... I'm going around the... Yeah, buddy.
Don't let the dog out, because I think that
No.
bear's mad.
No.
What is he? Oh, because he can't get it, you mean? Stupid freaking flash. How do you turn a flash off?
Tony, this is recording, you know. We got you on tape swearing.
Oh no.
Wait till Diane hears. Oh, my
How
goodness.
do I get the flash off? I have no idea.